Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And today the market did give us a very big profit booking in the start, as we were talking that over here once we see negative price action, we can go ahead and take a short position because we will see some profit booking, right? And now market is holding 44,300 area, right? Because this area was from where the buying had started, right? But market did go a lot down, right, today. And so I had to also take a stop loss today, actually two stop losses today, because the market was very volatile and I was also trying to take a put short position over there. But yes, anyways, didn't really work out well today for me. But anyways, what can we do for tomorrow is very simple. Right now the markets have closed, if you see, a little bit higher, and this is good. Right now what is the best scenario for us is that if we open kind of flat, and once we start crossing 44,510, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade first of all till 44,600. That will be your first target. And then if the market continues to sustain over here, you can hold your positions with for the second target of 44,750 and then 45,000 also for the coming days, right? But basically, if the market is sustaining over here, because this is now a very good resistance zone, right? So if we open with a gap up somewhere near over here, we'll see some profit booking till 44,500 levels to 44,400 levels, right? In this 100 point zone, market will come, take support, and then could again go up, right? So basically, if we are opening with a gap up somewhere near 44,600, we'll not go ahead and instantly take a buying position until unless we are above this zone. Basically, once we are above 44,650, we can see the continuation of this trend, right? But the best thing would be if market waits over here for maybe tomorrow also, it's fine. If market waits over here for tomorrow also and then breaks out on Monday, right? But even if we wait in the first half over here in this zone, right, 40 below 44,650, and then if we break out, we can again see a very good rally on the upside tomorrow also, right? But anyways, one thing that should not happen is that we open the gap down again somewhere near below 44,350. 44,350 will be a very important level, and once we open with the gap down below 44,350 and you are seeing that market is making negative price action below 44,300, then we can go ahead and take a short position again till 44,100, because this is a very important zone. And if the market is again opening with a gap down, right, there will be a bit of pressure on the buyers and we will then get shifted till 44,100, and maybe from there we can go ahead and take a bullish trade again, because 44,100 has acted as a good support. I'm sorry, yeah. Basically, this was the zone basically where there will be a good amount of volume, right? So now there was previously also volume over here, and from here also we have seen very good buying coming in. So again, if we open the gap down and if we sustain below 44,300 for a good amount of time, then you can go ahead and take a short trade also below 44,300, and then you can keep a target of 44,100 on the downside. Once we see that market is taking good support, very strong support from 44,100, maybe you see this type of candle, right? Or even if you see positive price action, then you can again go long from this zone over here, because from here the market could very well again recover and close on the higher side, right? So that will be our plan for tomorrow. If we open the, as I said, if we open the gap up above, let's say near 44,700, right? Somehow let's say we open the gap up above 44,700, then we'll wait for a pullback till 44,600, and once we are seeing that the market is taking support near 44,600, then we'll again go long from here. Because what happens many times is that market does not take support and it continues to go down. The market does not fills this gap and it continues to go up very fast, right, when it is a bullish market. Now talking about Nifty over here, what can we do in Nifty is definitely way more bullish. And if you see this wick is nothing. There was, I think, a rebalancing of something in index, and basically this wick indicates nothing both in Bank Nifty also. And there is basically, you know, the futures have not really moved, if you see, right? In the end, only the spot has moved somehow. So basically what can we do in Nifty is very simple over here. About 20,140, once we go go about 20,140, we can again go ahead and take a bullish trade because Nifty has closed at a very good level over here, right? So even if we open flat and cross 20,140, you can keep a 25 to 30 point stop loss, more than enough, and you can easily aim for 20,200 first of all, and actually 20,190 first of all, and then 20,220 on the upside. But I would recommend to close off 90% of your quantity at 20,190 because 20,200 is a very good resistance. So market will probably take a bit of resistance and stay over there for some time, right? So you do not definitely, if you're an option buyer, you do not definitely want that lot of theta decay, right, that you're going to take over there. Anyways, what can we do on the downside in Nifty? Once, let's say if you open flat and if we are holding 20,100 also, right? Once we are holding 20,100 and you are seeing some bullish price action that can be made over here, you can start adding quantity over here also, but do not go aggressive until unless we break 20,140 because maybe market might consolidate over here for some time and then break out on the upside, right? So at 20,100, if you see that market is going up, you can start adding a little bit of quantity, but only go aggressive above 20,140, right? On the downside, market should not open below 20,050 anyhow, right? Because 20,000, once we start going below 20,050, you will see market coming back down till 20,000 also. And then what can happen, right? Which is a very good scenario for Nifty if it wants to trap sellers, right? It goes down till 20,000, which is below this day's low, right? So it goes down till 20,000. Take support, because if you see from here buying had started in previous days, right? So it takes support from 20,000 and then again closes higher, right? So a lot of people will start shorting as soon as we go below this today's low, right? Or maybe below 20,050, right? And then the market could go down and again go up, right? So basically at 20,000 also, if you see that market is taking good support, you can go aggressively long from here, because we do not want to go aggressively long in the middle of the market. We want to go aggressively long either near good supports because market is in an uptrend, right? Or either we want to go aggressively long when the market is breaking out of a good area, right? So that is what we can do, right? However, if tomorrow we get a closing near basically below 20,000, then chances are that market will look bit bearish, right? If we are in a bullish market, we will not get a closing below 20,000, but yes, keep that in mind if you are trading, right? If you open the gap up somewhere near 20,200 itself, then there is not really a trade that can be taken, and it's best if we skip tomorrow's day, because then pretty much, market will need to decide, right? Either it wants to go up or it wants to go down. Maybe market might sustain over here itself for long time like this and then continue to move up, right? But it's best if we do not take a trade if the market opens the gap up straight up near 20,200, right? Then we can wait for a pullback till 20,140, and once we get a trade over here at 20,140, then we can go long again on the upside, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.